Hey there, I'm Barb Brimhall, the BZB Stamper, and welcome to Stampin' Up Stamping. If you've ever wondered how to make a card without feeling totally overwhelmed, you are in the right place. We're going to start today with a very simple handmade card and add a little bit more to it 2 more times so that you have 3 cards you can choose from that fit with wherever you're at in your card making journey. So let's jump in and make something together. Today, I am using a bundle out of the new Stampin' Up 2025-2026 annual catalog, and you can see that there is a lot in this bundle. But what I'm using today is the Sweet Blooms bundle, which is this stamp set and these dies, and they're so fun to use. They really are super fun. And I'm going to show you how to use just the stamp set and then how to use the entire bundle if you choose to do so. Okay, so this is our Busy Bee card. This is what I call our beginner card. Very simple, but I think very effective, especially if you have a lot of cards that you want to send in a hurry. We're using Pretty Peacock cardstock along with basic white cardstock. We're using Pool Party ink, and then we're using Pretty Peacock ink. I love this color combination. This is a super simple card, and it would be one that you could send a lot of in a hurry, and I just think it's so pretty. Okay, so that is our beginner card. Now we are going to step it up. This is our worker bee card. This is sort of our card that, you know, if you're kind of between a beginner and an advanced stamper, this is where I sit. These are my favorite types of cards. Again, I am using the Pretty Peacock cardstock. I'm using basic white cardstock. I'm using one of our new in colors, both in our inks and in the ribbon. This is Timid Tiger, Pool Party again, and then Pretty Peacock again. Timid Tiger ribbon. And then these dots are our beautiful new 2025-2027 in color flat pearls. I'm going to hold these up because I want you to see how gorgeous these pearls are. And what I like about them is they're fairly flat, so they're going to be easy to go through the mail. They're not going to give you too much of an issue when they go through the postal machine. And this image here, this is a 2-step stamping. I should have shown you that in the catalog, but you do the leaves in Pool Party, and then you stamp over that with the flowers, which are the Timid Tiger. And then I just fussy cut it out with scissors. Now, my friends, the other thing I should probably tell you is that this layer right here is our 2025-2027 in color designer paper. I neglected to mention that. So this background is already done for you. So you just cut the paper, stamp on it, and you're good to go. Isn't that a cute card? And not difficult. It looks difficult, but it's not difficult. The most difficult part of this card for me was fussy cutting out this floral image. Now, I do have complete instructions for you on how to make these cards, step-by-step instructions, all the supplies I used. If you're on Facebook, you'll find that link above. If you're on YouTube, you'll find that link below. So feel free to grab those instructions if you want them. All right, you guys ready to take it over the top? Let's do it. This is our Queen Bee card. I love how this card turned out. Now, it is a little bit smaller than a full-size card. Let me see if you could see that, but not by much. So obviously it will fit in a regular size envelope. I have complete instructions for you on how you turn this this die. This is actually the largest arched dies. I love these dies. I love how it did this little dotted edging on that. And then you just turn that into a card. How fun is that? And it's not difficult to do. I'll give you the complete instructions on how to do that. And then basically, it kind of looks like the worker bee card. Sorry for all it's not focusing real well. But I die cut this out of Pool Party. I stamped Pretty Peacock on Pool Party, and then I just die cut it. These were die cut now, so no more fussy cutting. I wrapped the Timid Tiger ribbon around the front of the card. And then this time I used a whole heck of a lot of the flat pearls, which, like I said, I really, really love. So this does use the Sweet Bloom dies in addition to the Everyday Arches dies. So not difficult to do, but I have complete instructions that walk you through step by step how to do this. Okay. So let's bring all 3 back in. See if I can get them all together. I think I can. Okay, we have the Busy Bee card, which I like. It's very simple, but I like it. I have the Worker Bee card where we do a little bit of fussy cutting, bring in some designer paper, bring in another color. So we have Pretty Peacock, Timid Tiger, Pool Party. Very easy colors to put together, and I love the color combination. And then same thing here, but this time we just have a fun shaped card that the recipients of this card will go, how did you do that? And it's actually super easy thanks to the Everyday Arches dies. Sorry, I don't know why I'm having trouble with that focusing. Okay, so anyway, there you go, my friends. Let me know which one you'd be more likely to make and which one is your favorite. Let me know that in the comments. And I'll be back next week with another Step It Up Stamping. Have a great week, my friends. Bye.